Okay, so if you've lost hours inside Canva trying to make something look good, this video is going to change your life. Let's face it, design used to be manual. Templates, resizing, font pairing, moving things by a pixel left or right. It was a full-time job, even for simple social media content. But those days are over. Welcome to the era of AI-powered design. These tools don't just help you create, they create for you. Whether you're building a brand, posting daily on social, launching a product, or just trying to look more professional online, these AI tools are now doing in seconds what used to take hours. In this video, I'm walking you through 9 shocking AI tools that are quietly replacing Canva. Some are smarter, some are faster. All of them are built to help you save time and look pro, without being a designer. And before we go into the list, please give the video a like and hit the subscribe button so you can follow more content like this. Let's get into it. First up is Visme. If you've ever tried making infographics, presentations, or reports that don't look like they were made in Microsoft Paint, Visme is your new go-to. What makes Visme powerful is how intuitive it feels right away. You can start from a prompt, choose a goal like present data or tell a story, and Visme automatically gives you layouts and visual assets tailored to that need. It's especially powerful for educators, business owners, or content creators who do a lot of storytelling through visuals. It's also one of the few tools that combines graphic design with animated elements and interactivity. That means you can build slide decks, PDFs, and web-based assets that feel alive without knowing anything about animation. Next up is Movavi. Now, if your content includes video, you're going to want to check out Movavi. Think of Movavi as a lightweight AI-enhanced video studio for creators who don't want to dive into complex editing software. Movavi uses AI to speed up everything, from removing backgrounds in one click to smart transitions, automatic subtitles, and even converting text scripts into short-form video. Whether you're editing Reels, TikToks, or longer YouTube content, Movavi lets you move fast without sacrificing polish. And yes, it even has AI voiceovers and music generators built in. Next up is a heavy hitter, Adobe Express. If you've ever felt intimidated by Photoshop or Illustrator, Adobe Express is the answer. It gives you that Adobe-level design power, but simplified and backed by smart AI. You can create social posts, videos, flyers, and more, all with drag-and-drop templates. But what sets Adobe Express apart is its AI engine. It suggests layouts based on your content type, automatically resizes for different platforms, and can even generate copy for your captions or titles. It's like having an intern and a creative director in one. Next up, Design Wizard. Design Wizard may not be the most famous tool on this list, but don't sleep on it. This platform is built for speed. You start with a template, enter your brand info or content goal, and Design Wizard immediately adapts layouts and visuals to match. What I love about it is how clean and brand ready the designs feel. Nothing looks overly templated or cookie cutter. The AI behind the platform adapts your colors and typography in ways that feel balanced and conversion ready. If you're making social content for clients or your own business, it's a hidden gem. If you work with a team or even just a virtual assistant, Easil is going to make your life way easier. It's one of the only design tools that's built specifically for team collaboration, with locked templates, brand folders, and multi-user permissions. But beyond team management, Easil also delivers when it comes to creative power. It features advanced typography tools, smart layers, and what they call design merge, which allows you to create dozens of design variations in seconds. So if you've ever needed multiple story slides, ad formats, or campaign assets, you can generate them with a single click. Let's talk about Snappa. This is probably the fastest design tool I've ever used. You open it, choose a platform, enter your copy or content idea, and boom, it builds a post for you in seconds. Snappa doesn't waste your time with bells and whistles. It's clean, intuitive, and ideal for anyone managing high-volume content, especially marketers, freelancers, or coaches who just want to get things out the door without pixel perfection slowing them down. It also integrates directly with scheduling tools, so you can design and publish in the same workflow. Formerly known as Crello, VistaCreate has gone from a Canva competitor to a full creative suite powered by AI. What makes VistaCreate special is how seamlessly it handles both static and animated content. Whether you're making a video ad, a carousel, or an Instagram story, VistaCreate automatically formats and designs it with pro-level polish. It's perfect for business owners who want everything from logos and flyers to social video in one ecosystem. And yes, there's a mobile app so you can create on the go. Now, if you post a lot on social, quotes, memes, stats, testimonials, Stencil is your best friend. Stencil is made for speed. You can turn a simple idea into a branded, ready-to-post design in under 30 seconds. It has millions of royalty-free images, easy-to-edit templates, and it saves your brand colors and fonts. This is the tool you'll reach for when you just want to keep the feed alive and engaging without spending your whole afternoon designing. Finally, we have Designs.ai, the most advanced tool on this list. It's not just a design tool, it's an entire brand builder. Designs.ai lets you create logos, color palettes, social assets, and written content from a single prompt. Want a new brand identity? You describe your business and it handles the rest. Want a video ad? You drop in the idea and it scripts, edits, and voices the video for you. This is the future of design. Fast, done for you, and built with strategy in mind. So what does this all mean? It means design is no longer about having the best eye. It's about having the right tools. The people who win in 2025 won't be spending 5 hours in Canva. They'll be creating smarter, faster, and more aligned visuals in minutes, with AI doing 80% of the work. If you're still spending hours designing posts, carousels, proposals, or presentations, that's a red flag. Your time is too valuable. Pick 2 or 3 of these tools based on your goals: video, social, branding, and start testing them. I promise your future self will thank you. If this video saved you time or showed you something new, hit that subscribe button. I share tools, strategies, and systems that help you build content that works and brands that convert without burnout. Drop a comment and tell me, which AI design tool are you using next? And do you want a full tutorial on any of them? Thanks for watching. Go build smarter.